Hello guys, welcome to infyemail.com. Infyemail.com is an online web application email client designed for emailing people. It's a simple tool which helps you to save a lot of time and it gives you more functionality in the purpose of emailing. And it automates all those daily based emailing tasks which you use daily for the purpose of emailing. So you need to just create an account and just a simple click things, and you need to just log on to this one, and here we go. That's it. So the first step what you're going to do is like you need to create your email account. You need to configure it. In case you know all your email configurations and steps, you can do it by yourself, or if you want an assistant from a coworker, just click on to the send a coworker, add the emails that what you want to just configure, and send it to the person, and then he can configure it for you, and you can start utilizing it. Boom, that's it. Then you have an inbox with which you can just it's a normal email inbox where you can receive emails, and you can compose an email and send it what you can do it normally, and you can schedule the info the emails time by you. And then the beautiful feature that what we have created here is like this mass mail. Mass mail is a functionality with which you can schedule n number of emails. Let's say for an example, you want to send around 25 follow-up emails, and a difference between 3 days, and it has to be sent on the time of 9 a.m. daily, and no weekends should be there. And once you click onto the skip weekend and generate template, that pops in up with all those nine those 25 email follow-ups are scheduled here, and you can see all those things with the detailed timing when it would be when, and all those information would be filled in up here. So this is what we have created, and it's a simple task. You need to just like create a template and save that template in the name that you need. And let's say for an example, I'm saving the template as in the name as temp one, and now here we go, and I have saved the template, and all those template contents are here. So 25 follow-ups with the detailed timings and steps are mentioned here. Then I have pre-populated. I have already have a template here in thing. This is what the template looks like, and when you use this mail mass email option. Simple. Select an Excel sheet that which you need to send out, and I have an Excel sheet here. So that Excel sheet has been, I'm adding this one here. uh, this is added here. Select the sheet which has to be sent. Close, choose the email field, and in case if you have any empty field or duplicate emails on that is been notified to you, then click skip and continue. That's it. And in case you have a merge field, and all those informations are here, the condition is if there is no reply, this will be sent after 2 days and the time 10:30 p.m. And here the same 10:30 p.m. And boom, that's it. The loader template, send it. And once you ask, if you give the confirmation, the email goes up. And after that, you can find it over here on the sent items on the campaign email. Your email is scheduled, and you can view it from here. So the scheduled email looks like this, and it's going to go at 5:20 p.m. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to change the time to send it immediately at 4:20. So the time now is 4:31 a.m. So I'm saving it, and I'm saving the time. So obviously the email is here. So you can view the detailed statistical reports of those emails with one you have to send on things. And here we have the B list management. Anyone who is unsubscribing for your campaign gets stored here. Any emails that is getting bounced, that's stored here. If someone you want to block him or something like that, let's say for an example, I'm asking 123.com, that's added here, and nowhere any email is going to go for this email. And you want to block a domain. Let's say for an example, you don't need to send email for an entire domain. Just type in the domain, like I'm asking it like 123.com, this 123.com is added here. So if you send any emails to this 123.com domain, no, that's going to be getting blocked. So obviously, once the email is sent out of the campaign, you're going to see that in the report, see the previous campaigns that which I have scheduled, and all those informations are here stored. See, for example, I have sent it for 1,000 people and 20 people have responded. Bounces, any email that is getting bounced is stored here. Any unsubscribe that happens is getting stored here. And if you stop if you add a domain or an individual person, that email is getting added here, and that would not allow, let's say for an example, here you go. So here, if you see, I have added the domain. I have this email ID is been blocked because like this user would be there in an unsubscribe reason, so the email was not able to send another follow-up. So the beautiful feature what we have here is like you can see the follow-up that which is scheduled here is gonna get sent out of the box on the time that what you have mentioned. So this one is scheduled and it's for processing. And if you see here, so the next emails are been scheduled and they would be sent out on the prompt up time. So moreover, a lot of features have been here, so you can configure it, and we are working out on many steps now. And another thing, so in case if you have, let's say for an example, you wanna choose a template. Let's say I created a template and that's saved there. And now if you see, this is an email that which I received, so I want to respond back to him, and I have a pre-stored. Let's say I'm clicking reply. And snippet is a beautiful feature what we have created for the user to reduce their time and work. I have several snippets added here, so if I'm adding the snippet in here, that's it. The snippet is like added about the email, instead of each and every time typing and responding back to the concerned sender. You can click the snippet. You can use the shortcut. Here if you see, Control Shift C is for creating a snippet, Control Shift O is for opening up a snippet, and boom, if you click this one, and you can even edit the snippet with this one. And this is the features that what we have here. And so hope you would be finding it useful. Thank you. And in case if you have, there are several plans even here, and you want to invite your colleagues or friends, invite it like this. And that's it. So any questions or anything, please book a demo. I'll just give you a detailed explanation on the purpose. Thank you.